Hi, Linda Sessions here, and welcome to week 3 in computer applications. I'm kind of laughing because this is the third time I've started this. As soon as I start doing a video, my cat Ashley thinks that it's time for her to be loved on, and so she jumps up into my lap and wants nothing but to be loved. So if you hear some purring, that's her. She purrs loud. Last week in week 2, you started in Excel, and so during week 2, let's come up here and look at week 2 here in the module. You've got the discussion board that's due on February 1st. I'm recording this on January 31st for you. Module 1 is due on February 2nd, but you have until February 8th to get that Excel 2 project in, but you don't have to wait to get it turned in. You can do it sooner. Now, for information on Module 2, for these projects, for these assignments, there is a video with an overview of the week where I talk about these assignments there. So if you didn't get a chance to watch that video, go back and look at this one. This video, we're talking about week 3. So here in week 3, the discussion board is, how did you like Excel? What did you think of it? Is it something, do you see yourself using in the future? Is it something that you like, I'm never going to use this again after this class? Let me know. Let me know what you think. Then there is some reading, Excel tips. There's 9 pages that I put together with information on Excel. Now this information, we will help you complete the assignments from this chapter, from this module. So make sure you read through those 9 pages. It won't take you very long to read through them. Read through them, and you can refer back to them as you work on these 3 assignments. So the first assignment is an M&M chart. Now this M&M chart, I want to make sure you understand you do not have to go out and buy M&Ms. If you want to, you can. The idea for this chart is that you create an Excel spreadsheet and a column chart and a pie chart comparing 3 different types of candies. Now I created this assignment using M&Ms and 3 different types. I think I used plain, peanut butter, and peanut. And the colors, the number of colors in each package is different based on the type of M&M. And they actually have a formula that they utilize. So if you want to go out and purchase 3 packages of M&Ms and then count the colors in the packages, you're more than welcome to do that. If you don't like M&Ms, just 3 types of candies that have 5 different colors. That's what I'm looking for. Or you can do some research on the internet and find out how many of the different colors are in these candies. But they do have to have 5 different colors. And to help you with this, there is a YouTube video. Now, one thing about this particular YouTube video at this point in time is it only covers the table and the bar chart. It does not include the pie chart. I'm hoping to get a new video for this. I've been having some trouble getting that done, but I'm hopefully we'll get that taken care of. But for as right now, it only covers the table and the bar chart. You are also responsible for including a pie chart, so don't forget that. Here's the instructions on this tab for creating the actual table. I go step by step through how to create the table, how to format the table, and I also step by step on creating and formatting the column chart as well as the pie chart, formatting the table, as well as now I need to go in there and fix this. And magic, it's done. Here's what your final project might look like. I like the dark backgrounds of the different, for the different designs. You might choose a different background when you're putting in your column and your pie chart, and that's fine. But you're going to have a table, column chart and a pie chart. And then there's also a PDF of the assignment in case it makes it a little easier for you. The PDF instructions don't go into as much detail as the instructions here on the tab, so just be aware of that as well. So if I come down here and I click on next, it's going to take me to the next assignment here this week, and that is the budgeting assignment. And in this assignment, you're going to use Excel to create a budget for furnishing and stocking an apartment. This assignment is actually based off of an assignment that is given to our interior design students, where they have to go out and purchase items for a client, and they need to create a chart to present to the clients so that they can see for themselves what is being purchased. So this is a real world use of Excel. There is a YouTube video that goes over this assignment so to help you understand the skills that you need to complete the assignment. Here is the basic information on creating your Excel spreadsheet. Now, I don't go into as much information in the assignment instructions for this. I did that in the M&M. You had that in week 2, so you should understand, how do I enter the columns? What's it talking about to enter the column information? What's it talking about to enter categories? That type of information. You're also going to be doing some online shopping. So you're going to be doing some information on the internet. You're going to be purchasing at least 10 items. And for each item on that chart, you're going to be putting in the name, how much it costs to make sure your numbers are all formatted the same. You're going to be also including a website with an active URL link. And how you do that, it's in that video, the YouTube help video there, as well as in the reading for this week. So I'm not going to go into details in this video. So, but there you want to put a website with the active URL. Make sure the only name of the store appears in Excel. I don't want a huge long URL across the top of the page. I want just the name of the store. I want at least 4 pictures, and they need to be resized and make sure that they fit into that row, but make sure you can still see what they are. And you need to stay within your $5,000 budget. Then you're going to be formatting the sheet. I want you to add some color. I don't tell you what colors. I don't tell you what font. I want you to make the sheet look good. Use color coding for the different categories. Make sure that it looks professional. And finally, I want you to add formulas and a graph. You're going to add formulas to calculate the categories, the overall, and then your remaining budget. And that information is all listed here. And then you're also going to be creating a graph. So what might your final budget look like? It might look like this picture right here. You can see here Linda's apartment budget. You can see I have my budget here at the top. I've used a different font for my title. I've got my TV, how much it cost, and then right here I have my websites. And you're going to, like I said, like here's wayfair.com. I will be going in to see, do these links work? So if your links don't work, you will get points counted off. So make sure that your URLs to the websites work. Make sure that you only include just that website name or the store name, like if you're using Walmart or something like that. You know, like here I went to Lowe's for my refrigerator. And then include at least 4 pictures. Then you're also going to be doing a pie chart with just your cost categories. So that is your budget assignment. Again, you've got your YouTube help video here, as well as information in that Excel tips to help you complete this assignment. If I click on next here. The next assignment is a new assignment, Prime Cuts Nutrition Chart. In the past, I've had you go out and do some research. This time, I've given you the information to create a chart for comparing the calories, the total calories and the fat calories for the Prime Cuts restaurant for one of their menu items: ribeye steak, grilled chicken, their loaded baked potato, a Caesar salad, and a cheesecake. So you're going to figure out how many calories is this, what's their percentage of fat calories compared to the total calories. So you're going to be doing all of that. Here's the formulas and stuff you're going to be needing to do that. You're going to be applying some formatting to the tables. You're also going to be creating a bar chart. And finally, this is what your final spreadsheet will possibly look like. And just to give you an idea of how restaurants, nutritionists use Excel to look at the percentage of calories and how they look at total calories and fat calories. So the help video on this one is coming soon. As I said, this is a new assignment, so I'm still preparing that video. But all the information that you need to complete this assignment is listed here. So those are the assignments for week 3. All of those assignments are due on February 8th, and make sure that you get them, or February 8th and 9th. The discussion board, the M&M chart is due February 8th, as well as your Excel 2 and your time management spreadsheet. Those are all due on February 8th. And your Excel budgeting assignment and the Prime Cuts is all due February 9th. So remember, you can always turn stuff in early. If you need to reach me, please use the inbox here in Canvas. Click on that and send me a message here. That way I know which class you're sending me a note from. I do have everything from week 1 graded. I'm doing this video on January 31st. So if you are getting a D or lower in class, you should have received a text from me just asking, letting you know, hey, what's happening, what's going on. If you have questions, check your grades. Just click on the grades up here. Read through the grades. If you see a little call out box over here, then I put a message. Usually I put messages on here, especially if you didn't get all the points. I will let you know why I took points off. So your score is over here. If you have questions, reach out. Okay, just let me know. Hopefully you're learning some new things about Excel. Hopefully you're having some fun learning some things about Excel. And just reach out if you have any questions. I am here for you. And I'm more than happy to do a Zoom meeting if we need to do a Zoom meeting to help explain anything. If you want to do a group meeting of any type, just let me know. We can arrange that. We can do that during the day, or I'm open any evening except Wednesday evening. I already have set plans on Wednesday evenings, but I'm here for you. I want you to be successful, but I need you to reach out to me. Watch for emails from me. I'll be sending different emails out letting you know what's going on. If I come up with something, a neat tip or something interesting happens in the world of Microsoft Office. So anyway, have a good week, and hopefully you'll have some fun this weekend. So talk to you later, and can't wait for that Super Bowl. How about you? Bye.